I poured my heart into my small bakery. Joy was the unspoken ingredient in every carefully crafted loaf. Success, unexpectedly, knocked loudly at my workshop door. With this welcome growth, however, came unseen companions. Complexity began to weave its intricate web throughout my days. Mountains of orders soon obscured my simple, cherished workbench. Schedules became tangled puzzles demanding constant, wearying attention. The initial, pure joy of my craft started to dim noticeably. It was a subtle theft of passion, paid in hours. The dream felt heavy. My days transformed into a relentless blur of activity. Repetitive tasks, once manageable, now consumed me entirely. I found myself constantly fighting small, urgent fires. There was no mental space left for my true vision. No quiet moments remained for the art of baking. My unique story, surprisingly, is remarkably common in our times. Many entrepreneurs and businesses share this quiet, mounting struggle. It is a pervasive ailment of modern commerce, often unacknowledged. Growth without wisdom can become a cage. A gilded cage, perhaps, but a cage nonetheless.
This scenario illustrates a modern business paradox perfectly. Initial success often breeds an overwhelming wave of detail. Traditional manual processes simply cannot keep pace with this surge. Innovation, the lifeblood of any venture, starts to falter. It becomes stifled under the sheer weight of operational load. Humans are not machines designed for endless repetition. Our minds crave meaning, creativity, and strategic thought. When these are denied, the entire enterprise suffers silently. The engine of progress begins to sputter and stall. This is the unseen cost of unmanaged expansion. The fundamental problem is not growth itself, of course. Growth is natural, often desirable, a sign of vitality. The true issue lies in unmanaged chaotic growth. It is the glaring absence of intelligent, adaptive systems that can learn, adjust, and support human endeavor. These systems, however, require careful guidance. They need a new kind of expertise to orchestrate them, a human touch to ensure technology serves human purpose. This is where our story must turn, towards a solution. So, who is this AI automation manager we speak of? They are not merely technicians lost in lines of code. They are not just traditional managers overseeing human teams. They are something new: architects of an evolving workflow. They possess a unique understanding of three critical domains: the human element with all its needs and talents, the business context with its goals and challenges, and the algorithm with its power and its pitfalls. They build bridges between these worlds, a crucial link in the modern chain. Their primary, most vital role is to identify opportunities. Where can artificial intelligence intelligently automate mundane tasks? Where can it augment and enhance precious human skills? They meticulously scan the business landscape for inefficiencies. They look for patterns of repetitive labor, of bottlenecks. They search for the hidden pain points that drain resources. They ask, how can technology liberate human potential here? This requires insight, empathy, and a keen analytical mind. It is a form of digital cartography, mapping new routes, discovering uncharted islands of efficiency. This role is not just important, it is increasingly crucial. Modern businesses navigate a turbulent, vast sea of data. AI offers incredibly powerful sails to catch the winds of change, but without a skilled captain at the helm, danger looms. These powerful sails can easily rip the unprepared ship apart, or, just as wastefully, lead it aimlessly into becalmed waters. The AI automation manager is that essential, guiding captain. They ensure the vessel moves with purpose and precision. They prevent the technology from becoming the master. Instead, they make it a powerful servant. The AI automation manager charts the strategic course forward. They carefully evaluate and select the most appropriate AI tools. Not every shiny new technology fits every unique problem. They then oversee the complex process of implementation, ensuring seamless integration with existing human workflows. Crucially, they ensure that AI adoption serves strategic goals. It is not automation for automation's sake, a common folly. They work to transform AI's abstract potential into tangible value, into measurable improvements in efficiency and human well-being. They make the promise of AI a lived reality.
What specific skills must this new artisan of automation possess? Firstly, a solid, practical grasp of AI and its capabilities. Understanding machine learning, natural language processing, robotics. Not necessarily to build these complex systems from scratch, but to comprehend their strengths, limitations, and ethical implications. To wield these powerful tools wisely, effectively, and responsibly. This knowledge forms the bedrock of their expertise. Without it, decisions are mere guesswork, prone to costly errors. They must speak the language of the new machines, but always in service of human understanding. Secondly, this manager needs deep, insightful strategic thinking. AI, for all its sophistication, is not a magic wand. It cannot conjure solutions out of thin air without direction. It must be applied to solve real, pressing business problems. Its implementation must align with the organization's long-term vision. The AI Automation Manager consistently sees this bigger picture. They connect disparate technological threads to the core business strategy. They ensure that automation efforts are not isolated gambits, but rather integral parts of a coherent, forward-looking plan. This foresight separates true value from mere novelty. Thirdly, robust project and critical change management skills are essential. Implementing AI is rarely a simple plug-and-play affair. It is a significant journey, a transformation of work itself. This journey involves intricate technology, redesigned processes, and people. Guiding this multifaceted change smoothly is absolutely vital. Human resistance to new ways is natural, even predictable. Understanding anxieties and communicating benefits clearly is key. The manager must be a diplomat, a teacher, and a leader, building trust and fostering adoption across the organization. Without this human-centric approach, even brilliant AI can fail. Fourthly, data literacy is indispensable. And fifthly, sharp analytical prowess. The AI Automation Manager must speak the language of data fluently. Data is the food that nourishes AI systems. It is also the output that reveals their performance. They use data to identify automation needs and opportunities. They use it to rigorously measure the success of AI initiatives. PwC estimates AI could contribute over $15 trillion to the global economy by 2030. These skills are the keys to unlocking that vast potential. They allow for informed decisions and continuous improvement, turning raw data into wisdom and wisdom into action.
The benefits of embracing this role are potentially profound. Imagine Sarah, our struggling bakery owner once more. Consider her business transformed by an AI automation manager. Her customer orders are now intelligently automated, error-free. Delivery routes are optimized daily by an adaptive algorithm. Ingredient needs are predicted with remarkable accuracy, reducing waste. Sarah reclaims her precious time, her creative energy. Her core passion for baking is rekindled, burning brightly. Her bakery not only survives but thrives anew. This is the tangible promise of well-managed AI. Efficiency within the organization climbs to new heights. Costly human errors and repetitive tasks begin to vanish. Decisions become sharper, more informed, grounded in data. Perhaps most importantly, human workers are freed from drudgery. They are liberated from soul-crushing, monotonous repetition. They can now focus on tasks that require uniquely human skills: creativity, complex problem-solving, empathy, and strategic insight. This is not primarily about replacing humans with machines. It is fundamentally about elevating human work and potential, a partnership where each plays to their strengths. Yet, the decision to ignore this emerging role carries significant risks. Businesses might blindly chase the latest AI fads without strategy. They could waste valuable resources on ill-fitting, ineffective tools. They might fail to integrate new AI systems with older ones. Or, critically, they could alienate their workforce through poor implementation. Mistrust and fear can sabotage even the best technology. Meanwhile, agile competitors who effectively automate will surge ahead. They will become faster, smarter, and more responsive. Stagnation in this rapidly evolving landscape is not passive, it is an active path towards obsolescence. The future is not merely arriving, it is being actively constructed with AI. This process of construction is happening now, all around us. The question for businesses is no longer automation will reshape their world. That is a certainty, like the rising of the sun. The crucial question is we will manage this profound transformation. The AI Automation Manager is a key part of that essential answer. They are the navigators for this new, complex, promising territory. Consider this role's importance. Invest in this vital talent. The age of automation requires human wisdom at its core. Act now to shape a future that works for all.